ng publiko. Gumawa ng sariling pangalan sa musika at pag-arte. Subalit ngayon, nahaharap sa kaliwat kanang kontrobersiya. Sam Concepcion, his most awaited confession. Dito sa Buzz ng Bayan, Premium Exclusive. Maganda ang pasok ng 2014 para kay Sam. Nagpatuloy ang tagumpay ng kanyang Infinite album. Sold out ang kanyang first major solo concert. Mainit ding tinanggap ang kanyang pagganap bilang Terence sa Mirabella. Kamakailan, idineklara na ng nag-iisang Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano, na si Sam daw ang karapat-dapat na sumunod sa kanyang mga yapak. Ngunit ngayon, sunod-sunod naman ang mga naglalakihang kontrobersiyang ibinabato sa kanya. Humarap nga ba sa isang matinding pagsubok ang relasyon nila ni Jasmine Curtis kamakailan? Ano ang kwento sa likod ng pag-uugnay sa kanila ni Julia Barreto? Ang kanyang matatapang nakasagutan. No holds barred, no limitation. Lahat isisiwala. Sam Concepcion live! Sam, welcome to Buzz ng Bayan.
Thank you, Tito Boy. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Kumusta ka?
Good, good.
Off ka, mga kaibigan, pag-usapan namin ni Sam. Sabi ko, Sam, bahagi ito ng iyong pagsikat. Di ba? We saw you as a child, I saw you as a young boy, and now you're an emerging superstar. Congratulations sa lahat ng nangyayari sa iyong karera.
Salamat po. Thank you, Tito Boy.
Okay, hindi pwedeng hindi natin umpisahan dito para this is out of the way. Ano ba talaga ang nangyari sa inyo ni Ann Curtis? Kumusta kayo ni Ann Curtis? Tell me what you can.
Well, we're as far as we are concerned, me and Ann we're good. We're okay. Okay naman ang lahat. You know what happened, what transpired na nangyari sa amin. It's already in the past and we've all moved on from it. Bahagi ng nakaraan, Sam, pero hindi namin naintindihan dahil hindi klaro ang pagkakwento. I'm not gonna go into details. Pero nung mga kapanahunan, during that birthday of Vice, ganda, were you and Jasmine okay? Or were you having problems? No. We were okay.
You were okay?
We were okay.
Kayo ni Ann, were you okay during the time?
Well, mahirap po kasi pag ganyang klaseng relationship. Siyempre, hindi lang naman yung girl yung kailangan mong ligawan. Also, the parents, the ate, kasama na siya. So,
kasama yun
it's
sa
always...
pamilya. Diretsong tanong, boto ba sa'yo ang pamilya ni Jasmine? Does the family of Jasmine like you?
I think I would like to think so naman. Because I'm good with the dad, syempre, kay Tita Carmen, the mom.
Does Ann like you to be the boyfriend of her sister?
Well, I think she's for Jasmine's happiness din naman, and syempre she does her part para alam mo yun, to be stand up for her. Para gawin mo syempre sa...
Now, why would she stand up for her if she likes you?
I'm not sure about, siguro hindi ko alam yung tamang sagot dyan, but parang, but we're okay. Okay naman po kami. Pero syempre, I guess gusto niya ako, she wants me to work hard for it, to show that I'm deserving ako para sa kanya, sa kapatid niya. So,
protective.
Ay, naiintindihan ko naman po yung part niya. Kasi syempre, ganun talaga.
I read about it. I read about what you said na naunawaan mo dahil older sister ito at protective sa kanyang younger sister. Okay, I'm not also gonna go into details, but I cannot not ask you this. Noong tinatanong kayo kung may nangyari nga, may naganap nga ang confrontation doon sa birthday ni Vice, of course you guys said, you know, we're okay and we respect that. Ang gusto ko lamang malaman, because you know where it came from. Carlo, if you're watching, Carlo, your manager is a dear friend of mine. You know, right after that incident, sinabi ng yung management house, no comment. We would rather keep quiet about this. And noong narinig ko yung comment na yon, sabi ko, if you put one and one together, may nangyari, may problema. So, ngayon I ask you, nagkaroon nga ba ng konfrontasyon?
Yes. Oo nga po. Yun din naman po yung sinabi ko nung tinanong ako about it. Sabi ko, yes, there was a confrontation that happened. She did go up to me and she talked to me. And hindi ko naman po, syempre, sabihin na hindi nangyari yun. But all for her sister, syempre. All for the good of everybody. Naiintindihan ko, syempre. Kasi kung ako meron akong nakababaat ng kapatid, di ba? Syempre, gusto mong you want to test yung maliligaw, gusto mo i-test yung...
Maganda bang pag-uusap?
I was in shock. Siyempre nagulat po ako sa mga pangyayari. Wala siguro sa aming nag-e-expect na mangyayari yun.
Okay.
Pero masyado mabilis po yung nangyari. So, I was just able to absorb it afterwards.
Did you walk away angry? Did you walk away maiyak-iyak? Katulad ng kwento?
Well, nung nangyari po yun, my friends na nandun din sa party already said, oh, halika na. I think we should go. So, I was in a bit of shock and I just kind of... I just... Umalis na lang din ako.
Have you settled your differences? Napag-usapan na ito ng tahimik? Have you spoken to Anne?
Yes, oo naman po.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Okay, let's go.
Medyo matagal na rin po nangyari. Siyempre, ngayon naman po lahat nangyari na. It was Jasmine's birthday. Diba? Easter.
That's right. I mean, naman, sabi ko,
okay
I don't want to go into the lines anymore that were written. It's enough. Thank you for being honest. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
So you and Jasmine are okay today?
Yes. We
good.
are and we've always been naman.
Okay. Julia Barreto, what is the story behind this? Totoo nga bang nagseselo si Jasmine kay Julia? What is your story?
Well, actually, hindi ko alam because well, we do work with each other. Pareho kami nasa Mirabela. Siguro yun lang yung yun nga po lumaki kasi nang lumaki yung storya. Hindi ko alam kung...
Pero ikaw at Jasmine have talked about it?
Yes naman. Yeah. And even she said na parang, diba, hindi niya alam kung saan nanggagaling yung mga ganyang ibang intriga na. So, I think yun nga, ayoko lang po sana na lumaki and mag-involve tayo ng ibang
mabuti
tao.
yung mapag-usapan ngayon na walang katotohanan, hindi totoo, at hindi totoong nagselos si Jasmine.
Yeah.
You and Jasmine are a couple.
I guess so, yo.
Okay. I mean, I just wanted para lang maintindihan ng ating manunood kung saan ang pinanggagalingan natin. Okay. Punta naman tayo sa karera. Mabilisan lamang.
Yes.
May mga umaayon, may mga sumasang-ayon, may mga hindi sumasang-ayon na ikaw ay ang Justin Bieber of the Philippines. I mean, what are your thoughts?
Di ko alam kung paano tatanggapin yan, Tito Boy, kasi parang iba yung scene natin dito, iba yung musika natin.
Do you like to be Justin Bieber?
Well, he is accomplished, pero I want to make a name for myself and be known
Siyempre,
as
Sam Concepcion,
Okay.
hindi ba? Ano ang iyong pakiramdam nung binasbasan ka ng Mr. Pure Energy na kung merong susunod sa kanyang mga yapak, I'm talking about Gary Valenciano, mga kaibigan, ito ay si Sam Concepcion. Wow!
Wow talaga, Tito Boy. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko iti-take yun. I don't know how to take it. I'm just so thankful kay Sir Gary, to the Valencianos, na in-involve nila ako sa Arise, which was a great concert, a great 2-night concert. And parang iba yung feeling na this person who you look up to as an artist, as a person, saying na, you know, if you do it right, kung you work hard enough.
You're gonna be my heir apparent. Galing nun, ano? I mean, of
Medyo
course,
pressure, actually.
Of course, pressure, but there's only one Gary Valenciano. But the fact that Gary V says until now that you're gonna be the next one, I mean, di ba?
Sabi ko nga po, Tito Gary, I think there is no one's going to be the next Gary Valenciano. But sabi niya, hindi, kung if you work hard enough, if you manage your career well, you know, you'd be able to.
Yeah, you will be the
dreams.
next best Sam Concepcion. Inspired by the one
Actually,
and only
ngayon, that's
Gary Valenciano.
That's it.
Diba?
Inspired talaga. Inspiring. And yun talaga yung nagda-drive sa akin na galingan ko
To work harder, to be better. Okay, congratulations, Mirabela. Magpasalamat ka na.
Oh, maraming salamat sa sumusuporta sa Mirabela araw-araw. Kahit medyo may naiinis kayo kay Terence, masaya ako dahil at least epektibo yung yung role. Pero maraming salamat. Sana patuloy niyo pa pong suportahan. Ang dami nang nangyayari. Si Mira gaganda na. And dito na makikita yung iba pang mga twists.
Maging bahagi kayo ng Mirabela. You make us proud, Sam.
Thank you.
And you're one of the most brilliant young actors, young singers in this country, and we will be watching. Diba? Maraming salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng industriyang ito at kami magmamasid, manunood, and keep on shining.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Maraming salamat. Okay. Sa ating pagbabalik, mga kaibigan, susunod na. We have the story about All In. Marami ang nagtatanong, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng All In sa Pinoy Big Brother? Sam, mga kaibigan, sa bayanang Pilipino, narito po ang aming kwento, panoorin po natin.